if I told you that the leaf the size of a quarter could help cure asthma? What if I told you that the moisture within another leaf could help cure diabetes? What if I told you that the root of a plant could treat fevers and that those seeds could cure colic and chest disease in animals such as horses, donkeys, and mules? And what if I told you could find all of these in the same region? Wouldn't you think that information would be useful to know? Plants have been used for thousands of years for not only nutritional benefits but medicinal purposes as well. The Chalveret plant that I mentioned in my intro can help cure asthma. The Cadu ponder plant can help cure diabetes. And various other plants, shrubs, and trees can help cure fever, colic, chest disease, and help rid bacteria in animals. I'm talking about the region of Swat, which is located in northern Pakistan, which is actually located in southwestern Asia. And the weather conditions for this region, and in particular Swat, the area of Swat, vary a lot with temperature. The climate is varied by sea breezes, and it has very hot summers and very cold winters due to the altitude. Swat gets a lot of snow and rain, which gives the plants what they need to survive the extremely hot winters. There are various methods for collecting this data. There are field assessments where soil samples were taken, and they also did surveys done by locals where that were carried out at different seasons throughout the year, which were then cross-checked with earlier visits of other locals. The most commonly used plants that I talked about earlier are the gilo plant, the bang leaf, and also the alga bulb in the leaf. A lot of these plants have to deal with correcting and helping out the bowel system. The bowel is probably one of the most troubled areas that we humans face on a day-to-day basis. It's one of the most undervalued parts of our bodies. The whole plant used in the gilo plant is used and mixed with milk and is used as a laxative. Laxatives and other medicines that help with the bowel are one of the most important medicines that can be used. Almost every disease, like I said earlier, stems from the bowel, and if it's not taken care of, can cause drastic problems to your body. If you don't have proper bowel movements, you're supposed to have 2 to 3 big bowel movements a day. You're supposed to go within an hour after you eat, and that's healthy. If you don't, that bacteria and all the stuff inside, the acid, has to have some place to go, and it's then released back into your bloodstream, which can cause a whole bunch of problems. And that research is done by several people. One of the most famous people is a guy named Dr. Jensen, and he's a famous MD and naturopathic doctor. The bang leaf is used in powder form and helps healing wounds, and also is a sedative for upset stomach. So there's another plant or part of a plant that has helped with the bowel. You can also mix it with juice to generate excitement. It's kind of like an energy drink. The bulb and the leaf of the alga plant, the leaf can be boiled, and the cooled extract helps diarrhea and lowers blood pressure. So all of those 3 plants or parts of the plant directly affect the bowel and other areas. The bulbs are used as a stimulant and also help with the bowel, and mixed with juice can help soothe irritation caused by scorpion and hornet stings and other bug bites. Like I stated earlier, a lot of our bodily problems stem from the bowel, and most every plant, tree, shrub, or parts of those plants or trees have great benefits to the bowel. There are millions of different plants that have several different benefits for healing the body. The natives of the region of Swat have figured out how important and how valuable these plants and parts of these plants are to heal the body. We are created from the earth, and the earth has given us everything to help us heal naturally. Thank you.